everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to add new application to home screen on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel annoyed when you have just downloaded an application from the Play Store but it doesn't appear on the main screen, don't need to be worried because you can add the new downloaded application to the main screen. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can go to home screen, and then now you can pinch on the home screen until the menu is pop out like this. And then now you can go to settings, and then now you can scroll down, and then you can activate the feature add new apps to home screen. So your new application after download will appear on home screen immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.